My name is Ian Kittichai, and we at Cuisine Concepts Kitchen, Bangkok, Thailand. Today, I'm gonna make banana blossom salad. If you cannot find a banana blossom or banana flower like this, we can use heart palm, or you can use the fresh bean, green beans, or cabbage. That will work as well. Okay, let's start off the banana blossom or banana flowers. I'm taking all the leaves out until you find the white part of the flowers. So basically, the banana flowers giving you type of the vegetables to eat with the dish. Then I cut the bottom part out, put into the salt and lemon water, just to prevent the it turn black. Cut it in half. Then I put it into the acidity water, just to prevent it turn black. Then cut it in half again. I'm taking the core of the flower out and taking all this the banana, baby banana here. Because of this will give the bitterness to the dish. You don't want that. So still the red part, we take it off. Then we have all white part here. Then we're gonna cut into the small pieces. And this part of banana flower that you can eat. I soak the pieces here, again to prevent it turning black, and we can eat it raw as well. Then we're gonna make a dressing. We have roasted chili paste in oil, coconut milk, mix together, chili powder, toasted coconut, fried shallot, mix together. I have cut heart palm, or you can use any kind of vegetable as you wish. Magood leaves, chiffonade, and then banana flowers. A touch of lime juice, tamarind juice as well. And then we have a roasted crushed peanut to keep the crunch and really nutty flavor into the dish. I can taste before I put on the plate. Wow, so refreshing. A little bit of spicy, sour, and nutty flavor from the peanuts. A touch of fish sauce. And now, we're ready to serve. Let's sprinkle with the chili powder. And again, toasted coconut, fried shallot, and roasted crushed peanut. Lots of it. I have some edible flowers. I have chiffonade of red chili. And here we are. This is my banana blossom salad. with roasted crushed peanuts.